So we're gonna tint our eyebrows at home. So you're gonna put 10 drops of this Oxidant Liquid into your mixing container. And then we're mixing the colorant at a 1-to-1 ratio. I got Refectocil number 3 in Natural Brown. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it, like I didn't actually measure anything out. I just put a little bit of the paste and then I'm mixing it. And it says on the package until it's like a creamy paste consistency. As a mom of 3 now, I honestly do not have time sometimes. Like it takes like half an hour to get anybody out of the house because I've got to make sure they're dressed, that they went pee so that I don't have to pee while we're out in public, and then boots, coats, into the car, buckled in. Like it's just a whole process. It takes me like half an hour just to like leave the house. So I kind of like getting the eyebrows tinted and then I just feel a little bit more put together. So for a while I was like going to get it professionally tinted and then I would get it like a lash lift and tint. But it is quite expensive to do that. And I do a lot of things at home anyways. So once I decided that I actually do like the way it looks, like getting my eyebrows tinted and stuff, I was like, okay, I need to figure out how to do this at home. And honestly, this was so easy. You just like apply it the same way you would fill in your eyebrows. And I was a little worried because like you can see it's getting super dark now. But the end result isn't too bad. I've also seen some people online say that, you know, if you want it really, really light or really, really natural, just put it on quick and then wipe it off quick. I like it to be a little bit more defined. The other thing is when I was getting it professionally tinted, I'm pretty sure she was mixing the natural brown with a black because this is such a light look compared to what it was when I was getting it professionally done. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I just kind of wet some toilet paper and wiped everything off, and then I kind of washed around my eyebrows and my eyes again. So this is the completed look, and you can see the tint kind of dyes your skin a little bit, and that's kind of what I like. Like my eyebrows are already pretty much the same color. This is the before, so you can see that like literally my eyebrow color has not changed at all. It's just the tint underneath, like it dyes your skin just a little bit, and that'll last like about 2 weeks and it'll look super filled in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more things like this, please subscribe. I do have lots of dyeing tutorials on my channel.